You ever try tightening a fastener tucked between a bracket, a hose, and what feels like 3 separate laws of physics? Yeah. Welcome to the real world of wrenching. Sometimes, a standard ratchet just won't cut it. You don't need more torque. You need more angles. That's where a tool that literally bends to your will comes into play. Tight spaces, awkward positioning, and limited mobility. That's the holy trinity of frustration for techs and DIYers alike. You twist your wrist like you're auditioning for a Cirque du Soleil show, and still, no click. Enter the 90-tooth Swivel Head Ratchet, the problem solver you didn't know you needed until your knuckles told you otherwise. It's got a 270-degree swivel head that lets you approach bolts from almost any angle. Vertical, horizontal, or that weird diagonal behind your engine mount. You're covered. With a 4-degree swing arc, the 90-tooth gear gets into tight spots with minimal movement. Perfect when you've got no room to spare. And this thing's no toy. The chrome vanadium steel body is built for serious torque, while the comfort grip handle means your hands won't hate you after the job's done. Available in 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive, it's as versatile as your toughest repairs demand. So, next time a bolt's hiding where no ratchet should reach, don't force it. Swivel to it, because the right angle can make all the difference. This is Olsa Tools, grease and gears. Keep it cool and greasy.